This is the 2023 BMW M850 Coupe. I'm going to walk you guys through everything that you need to know about this vehicle and the package that you can get on it. My name is Denver. I'm a client advisor here at Parkview BMW in Toronto. So if you guys are in the BMW market, you need anything, send me an email. That'll be in the description of this video. Alright, so let's get into everything you need to know on the 2023 M850. Alright, so let's start with the standard features. The first standard feature that you're going to get with the M850 is going to be remote engine start. You can activate this one of two ways, either through your cell phone app with a connected drive system or through your key fob. You just want to triple click the lock button and it will remote engine start. If you want to deactivate the feature, you just triple click again. Next standard feature is going to be these 20-inch style 728 wheels with the performance tires. You also have tire pressure monitoring system in the valve stem there. Looks like the outside tires are 245, 35, 20. And at the back, we have a 275, 30, 20. The M Sport brakes, its blue calipers are a standard feature with optional red or black calipers. There's a rear limited slip or M Sport differential in the back end. That's a standard feature, as well as a tire repair kit. So these are not standard run flat tires. These are the performance tires, so they're non-run flat. So there's a tire repair kit in the trunk. There's also an alarm system. So when you lock the car, you'll see the beeping red light there. That's gonna be a standard feature on the M850. Then you'll also have integral active rear wheel steering. So those rear wheels are going to steer a little bit just to give you better handling with lane changes and parking lot maneuvers. It's also the full automatic trunk. So when I press and hold on the key fob, the tailgate does full power up and then it can power down as well. Now when you're closing, you can do it through one of these two buttons here, or you can just wipe your foot like that. You can wipe your foot to open it as well. So there's two seats at the back. Pull each one of those levers and they'll fall down. On the right side, you have a little bit of extra storage. On the left side is where you'll find the tire repair kit and your tow hook. Now with the trunk, you can also open it from the inside of the vehicle through this button right here. And you can also close it by pressing and pulling your finger up like that. It'll actually lock it if the key is on the inside. And it'll close your trunk just like that. Now the next standard feature is going to be comfort door access. So on the outside of the vehicle, you'll also notice these three little ribs on the door handle right here. You click this, it'll lock your door. If you put your hand on the inside, it'll automatically unlock your door. And when you go into the settings on the inside, you can go menu, you can go car, go settings, door vehicle access, comfort access. You can make it proximity. So it'll automatically unlock when you're approaching and it'll automatically lock when you're walking away. Now the next standard feature is going to be the soft closed doors. So if you get the doors in and they only go to that first click, no problem, it's going to suck it in for you. Next standard feature is going to be these multi-function front seats. This one is with the black merino leather interior. And these are all the controls for the seats. So your headrest up and down, the back and pitch, up and down the seat, up bolstering support and lumbar support, and then extra leg. Now these seats are heated and ventilated. Ventilated is not part of the standard feature, but the heated is. Now on the outside, you'll also have auto dimming mirrors, blind spot monitoring, and auto heated mirrors all right there. At the front, you will have adaptive LED headlights as standard. This one does have the upgraded laser light headlights. This is the standard kidney grille option with the chrome badging on the side and the chrome M850 badge on the back, as well as the chrome tailpipes. Now these little circles are going to be the standard park distance control system or the proximity sensors, and you also have the rear view camera. Standard X drive on this model, and the standard rear lip spoiler. Now let's talk about things on the inside. There's also a pre-collision system to stop you from hitting that person, lane keep assist, all part of that driving assistance package. Auto lights on the inside, all of your seat saves for the memory seats. Harman Kardon sound system is a standard feature with this model. The galvanic controls, power folding mirrors. The M Sport steering wheel, live cockpit professional with the iDrive 7 standard feature. Larger infotainment screen. We now have tricolor stitching on the steering wheel. It's new from last year. You also have automatic high beams, and your BC button will cycle through the widgets. Standard 8-speed transmission with paddle shifters, automatic wipers, Bluetooth connectivity for your cell phone, heated steering wheel, head-up display. They're all part of those standard features. 2-zone climate control, so driver and passenger each have their own fan and their own temperature they can set. Both seats are heated and ventilated as a standard. Merino leather on the inside is also a standard feature. Heated seats are standard, ventilators are options, so I'll come back to that. Then you have your memory 1 through 8 buttons. Now I will leave a link down below for a full iDrive 7 walkthrough. I don't want to go all in depth in that because that's a whole nother video in itself. Optional carbon fiber trim here. I don't have the standard version to show you, but same thing with the glass controls are upgraded, so the normal ones just wouldn't have the glass controls as a standard, and all of your functions. So the parking assistant plus with the 360 camera is a standard feature, so that's where you'll have this extra button there. Adaptive M suspension is a standard feature, so that's why you have that one there. Automatic brake holds, and then your transmission controls with your iDrive controls as well. Ambient lighting on the inside is a standard feature. When you go into navigation and settings, interior lighting can be adjusted, and you can change what that ambient lighting is and the brightness, and even dim for nighttime driving. As you'll see, all of the ambient lighting there. Underneath this flap will be a standard wireless charger, a USB port, 12-volt converter, and 2 cup holders there. All right, now that I've gone through all these standard features on the 2023 M850, we're gonna hop into the packages. Now the first package is something that is not actually equipped on this vehicle. It's called the Dark Optics package. So instead of the blue M Sport brakes, you would have black M Sport brakes, part of that package. You'd also have the shadow line headlights. So all this silver content at the top would all be dark and tinted. You'd have the high gloss black kidney grille with the exterior content. So that would be black. On the side here, this will be blacked out, and the chrome tailpipes would be blacked out as well. You can go for different interior options, so instead of black, you could also get cognac, Fiona red and black, tartuffe, night blue, and ivory white are all options for the interior. There's a lot of paint options you can do. Now this is an individual frozen pure gray metallic paint, but you could get any paint option you want that are all no charge. Now inside the next package is going to be the premium package. So inside the premium package, the first thing is going to be those ventilated seats. So we touched on that before, but that's going to be the button. Same thing with your heated seats. That button right there for the ventilated seats. When you give it a click, right there, ventilated seats. The next thing is going to be the glass control. So that is part of the premium package. Now the next thing part of the premium package is going to be the advanced driver's assistance package, or the active stop and go cruise control with traffic and jam assistance. So it's going to monitor that car in front of you, slow down when they slow down. You can take your hand off the steering wheel under 60 kilometers an hour. The next part of the premium package is going to be the black Alcantara roof liner. And that's all the options that are going to be part of that premium package. Everything else is going to be standalone option. So there's different wheel options that you can go for on the exterior. There's the adaptive M suspension Pro, so even more upgraded adaptive M suspension that you can add on there. The universal garage door opener can be added on. Chrome exterior contents, so you can get the chrome kidney grille would be on there. The 50-year anniversary BMW roundels can be replaced on there. The M carbon fiber roof, which is an option here, that is what you're seeing. And then as well as laser light headlights. So this one does have standalone laser light headlights without the shadow line content. There's M seatbelts on the inside that can be happened, so you can have tricolor stitching for your seatbelts. And then there's different interior trim options. So this vehicle does have the upgraded carbon fiber trim. You can go with a few different wood trims. And then there's also the Bowers & Wilkins Diamond Surround System. So this does have the Harman Kardon, or you can upgrade to the Bowers & Wilkins for $4,900. And then the last standalone option is going to be the M Carbon Exterior package. So carbon fiber rear spoiler, carbon fiber mirror caps, carbon fiber front bumper content, all gonna be part of that carbon fiber exterior package. All right, and the last thing to show you is your engine bay. So this is the N63 4.4 liter reverse flow V8, and you got 523 horsepower. Main thing you need to know, this blue cap, that's where you put your washer fluid in the wintertime when you run out. If you do ever need a boost, or you're helping out a Samaritan and boosting, this is your positive terminal right there with the red cap, very easy to find. And your negative terminal is gonna be right over here by the air box, that right there. All right, thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys made it all the way to the end, please smash the like button, consider subscribing for future BMW content.